All right, so today I'm going to walk you through your assignment. It's worth 11 points, and I think I'm pretty much just going to talk you through this whole thing because it can be very confusing. So those of you who don't watch this video, you're going to call me and I'm going to say, watch this video because I'm going to probably tell you all the answers that you need to put in. But I hope it kind of explains it. So the directions for your assignment today is to look at these two triangles and determine, are they similar or aren't they similar? And there's a lot of work that goes into this. And so you have two triangles here, TSU and EDF, okay? And then down below these triangles, there are these fill in the blank kind of things. And that's where your problem numbers are at. So this is number 1 here, this blank. This is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right here, these blanks. Okay, so let's talk about them. This TU stands for side TU. It means this part of the triangle right here, TU. And I'm sorry, I'm drawing lines through there. And this EF stands for this part of the triangle. Notice it's the bottom of both triangles. In our notes yesterday, we talked about the corresponding sides. These sides correspond with each other. It means they're in the same spot. It just means we're in the same spot. So EF measures 8 centimeters. The 8 was already there. What does TU measure? Well, I look up here and I see TU is 16. So you just go in and you type for number 1, 16. Or you could write 16 cm. It'll count it either way. And then if you look at the next part, it says 1 here. So what they're doing here is they're actually simplifying this ratio. This is a ratio or a fraction, we could call it. And they're simplifying it. And to simplify, I'm going to divide both of these by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So your answer to number 2 is 2. Okay. And I look over here. That's these two sides. These two sides. They are a 2 to 1 ratio. Now I look at SU and DF. SU is right here. It is 12 centimeters. So I'm going to write a 12 up here for that answer. And DF is what it corresponds with, and that is 6. Okay, so now I have 12 and 6. To go from here to here, I am going to, again, simplify. Both of these are divisible by 6. You could do 2, and then you could do 3, but otherwise you could just start and do it by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Oh, look, I'm getting the same answer. Right now, I would say, yes, they're both the same, and so they would be proportional and they would be similar. But I have to check out that last side. We've done this side. They are proportional. This side is proportional, same proportion, 2 to 1. Now the last one. ST, and it corresponds with which side? Up on the triangle, ST is in the same spot as DE. So I'm going to say DE. Now, if you call it ED, that's okay too. You can call it either one. DE, ED. Saying the same side. It's still talking about this side. DE, ED. ST measures 10. And DE measures 4. So I'm going to move this back here. This is 10 over 4. And to simplify this fraction, 10 and 4 are both divisible by 2. And I end up in a simplified ratio of 5 over 2. Wait a minute. This one is not 2 over 1. So are these sides proportional? No. They're not the same fraction when we simplify. They're not the same ratio. So are they similar? No, they're not. They would have to be proportional to be similar. So hopefully this helps you out. If you still have questions, you can email me or call me. Thanks.